Hello, I am Dr. Ghosh speaking. Today I am showing you some different video, not in my profession of physics. Now it is how to make Rudraksha mala. Although we are living in Brisbane almost more than 21 years, this year we have found that Rudraksha tree, fruits, and that's why I have planned that I will make some sorts of Rudraksha mala. You can see this is that plant, and you can see blue berry color Rudraksha fruits. There are 4 5 trees I have seen, one in the botanical garden, one in Kenmore, one in Stones Corner, like that. I have collected the fruits from the trees under the tree. You can see this is just like a blueberry color. This is the Rudraksha fruits, and the main thing is that we have to uh, clean or wash the fruits. That from that we have to at least 24 hours. I have to put in the water, what in the bucket, almost 24 hours. Then you have to take out the blue color skin and some sorts of juicy material from that fruits. Then you can have that real Rudraksha seeds or beads. Then that I can show you next slide. Here you can see after cleaning and drying, these are the Rudraksha beads or seeds. These are the seeds, and you can you can see always there is a one side is whole. That means that which is linked with the tree, that is a there is a little bit hole, and with the drill you can make the uh, hole so that you can make mala or garland. Now just I have made this garland mala 108 plus 1 beads. Uh, this is very Panchamukhi Rudraksha, Panchamukhi Rudraksha, and is very long. Uh, that's why just before putting in the neck or anything, you have to go to the temple to do some puja. But it is not so. Get some Shiva temple is not so far, not so near here. That's why I made puja in my own home. This is the uh, uh, garland uh, put on the Shivas. There are so many Shiva statues here, and also in the calendar there is also Shiva statue there. Therefore, I made the prayer before wearing. This is that uh, Rudraksha mala. Just I made today, and hope you can also make. It is very simple to make that Rudraksha mala. Hope you can enjoy. Thanks. Bye.